Have a good day, dear students. My name is Mayuri Karya. I hope you all are well at your home. Today we will see the quick recap of Chapter 2, Standard 7, Social Science, Geography NCERT book. The book name is Our Environment. The name of the chapter Inside Our Earth. First we will see the mind map. In mind map, first topic is interior of the earth. Okay, so interior of the earth first is crust. The crust, first layer is being called the crust. Okay, so in that is called about 35 kilometer, means thinnest of all layers and uppermost layer. Okay, in this diagram you can see uppermost layer, it is thinnest layer and about to 35 kilometer inside from the earth. Now minerals, main minerals we are getting in continental masses, we are getting silica and alumina. In oceanic crust we are getting silica and magnesium. Okay, then the mantle, second layer is being called the mantle, that is situated just beneath of the crust and has deepest of the 2900 kilometer. Here is the mantle, the people have been explained, that is 2900 kilometer extended. Okay, then the core, innermost layer, radius of about 3500 kilometer, made of nickel and iron, has high temperature and pressure. Okay, so here is the core, means its radius is 3500 kilometer. Okay, high temperature and high heat. Now next topic, rock and minerals. Okay, so minerals very useful to mankind, for example coal and natural gas, petroleum. Next, which kind of rocks are there? Metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock and igneous rock. So first we will see the igneous rock, that is intrusive rocks, means igneous rocks formed in a way that when volcano is being blasted, during that time if magma has been come out and it is being cooled down inside of the earth, that is, and form the rock, that is called the intrusive rock. Example granite. Extrusive rock means in a blast means magma is coming out from the crust of the earth and being cooled down and making the rock, that is called the basalt. Okay, here is the example of igneous rocks. Next, sedimentary rock, that is example of sandstone. Sedimentary rocks means sediments when the igneous rocks, because of means process, or we can say means stuckness of means two rocks are being stuck and losing its sediment, and that sediments going away and gather to elsewhere and making a strong formation, that is called the sedimentary rocks. Here are the example of sedimentary rocks. Next topic, metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are that rocks means when sedimentary means rocks and igneous rocks is being melted and taking a means another form, means in a under great pressure and great temperature and taking other formation of rock, that is called the metamorphic rock. Like a basalt rock means under great heat and under great pressure, means being in other formation, means coming in other formation, that rocks are being called the metamorphic rock, that is slate and marble. Here are the means some example of metamorphic rocks. I hope you people can see very well. Now our mind map has been complete. Now we will see the important notes. Standard 7, Chapter 2, Inside Our Earth, Important Notes. First one, what is Earth? The Earth is a dynamic planet and comprised of three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Okay, so that three layer we have seen in that diagram. Second point, constant changes take place inside as well as outside of the Earth. Interior of the Earth. The Earth is made of several concrete layers. Okay, so that first is being called the core or crust, crust, mantle, and core. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. In diagram we have seen it is the thinnest of all the layer. It is about 35 km on the continental masses and only 5 km on the ocean floor. Okay, second one, silica means C and alumina means A are the minerals constituents of the continental masses in this called Cl. Okay, now fourth one, the oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium, that is called the sema. Fifth one, just below the crust is the mantle up to an extent of 2900 kilometers, means the layer of mantle is being extended up to 2900 kilometer after the crust. Sixth one, the innermost layer is core with a radius of 3500 kilometer, as it is made of nickel and iron. It is called the NIF. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Rocks and minerals. First point, the earth crust is made of various types of rocks. Any natural masses of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called the rock. Okay, second one, there are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Third one, when the molten magma cools, it becomes solid rocks and thus formed are called igneous rock or primary rock. They are of two types: extrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rock. Okay, second point, when molten magma come on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and become solid rock formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive rocks. Means the magma is being cooled down outside the earth, that is, and making the rock formation, that is called the extrusive rock. They are very fine grinded structure, for example basalt. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks formed are called the intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite is an example of such rocks. Rocks roll down and break into small fragments, and these smaller particles are called sediments. Okay, so now some terms means these rocks are being rolled down and losing its sediments or some particles and means being deposited elsewhere and making a solid rock formation, that is called the sedimentary rock. This type of rocks are called the sedimentary rocks. Fourth one, igneous and sedimentary rocks can be changed into metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. For example, clay change into the slate and limestone into the marble. Okay. Sixth one, the process of transformation of the rock from one to another is called the rock cycle. When the molten magma cools it solidified and become igneous rock. Means we know that inside, if it is being cooled down, it is called the intrusive rock, and if outside of the earth it is being called, it is called the extrusive rock. Okay, so and deposit from the sedimentary rock. Okay, when that rocks are losing its sediment or particles, that makes the sedimentary rocks. Now when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat, means when these formated rocks are means coming in under pressure and heat, it change into the metamorphic rock. Okay, the metamorphic rocks which are still under great heat and pressure melt down to from molten magma. Now if it gets means too much heat, and so it will not get the form of a means rock, it will automatically means melted and become a molten magma. The molten magma again cool down and solidified into igneous rocks. Okay, rocks are made of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Okay, so today we are keeping our lecture up to here. Thank you so much.